Dear ladies and gentlemen, in this video tutorial will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called NoBit. My video is only for the educational purposes. In the video I will let you know what happens with the files after they get damaged by this ransomware. Before the ransomware attack, of course, you are able to open your files without any troubles, any files. But unfortunately, some computers are vulnerable because of certain outdated anti-malware databases. The ransomware called NoBit may penetrate its roots into the system, and then users see this NoBit desktop wallpaper and the ransom note titled as NoBit. The ransomware encrypts files and appends this bit extension to the file names. It's impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware in this ransom note indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. However, we strongly urge you not to pay this ransom because there is no guarantee that your data would be restored if you pay that ransom. So don't waste your money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this goal. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then the software is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then the scanning will begin. Let me emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, which helps to detect and remove this ransomware and to protect the data. But this feature does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files for you. At the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner, the software will give you the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the computer. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. You can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate these features, and please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more facts on how to possibly recover your data.